left than the main show. Who here wishes they were learning all of these things about real estate and buying a bunch of properties like 10 years ago? Me too. What do you think your future self 10 years from now will wish you were doing today? Collecting properties, right? So it's hard to do in your own backyard if you live here in Southern California. My company is 3-5 Turnkey Properties. We specialize in out-of-state rentals. So we have a bunch of single-family homes that have been rehabbed, that have tenants already in place paying rent today, property management set up, prices in the mid 100,000s for the most part, so super attainable, very low taxes, strong rents. They will cash flow. Even at 7% mortgages, they will cash flow. Then when you refinance down the road, they will cash flow even more. 10 years from now, when the rents have gone up, your rate has gone down, they will cash flow even more and be worth even more. So we would love to help you. My name is Emily, 3-5 Properties. The website is the number 3-5 spelled out, FIVES, properties.com. You can call me directly, 714-612-7957, and we'd love to help you get started.